The lock area and jamb, where the deadbolt meets the strike plate, are the single most common weak points on a residential exterior door. Start by inspecting the door, slab, frame, and hardware as a system, not as separate parts. Check the jamb for splits, rot, or crushed wood near the deadbolt and latch by removing the strike plate and probing with a screwdriver. If the wood compresses or fibers pull away, that zone will fail under force. Measure screw length and replace any screws shorter than 3 inches in the strike plate and hinge locations with 3-inch screws so they penetrate the structural framing behind the jamb. For doors with metal faceplates or thin edge reinforcements, remove and verify the door edge is a solid wood style or a metal core rated for security. Thin stamped metal and hollow cores are replaceable with solid core slabs and reinforced edge hardware. Use a reinforced strike plate that expands load across the jamb and install a jamb reinforcement kit if the jamb is undersized or damaged. These kits wrap or plate the jamb to stop tear out. Finally, check hinge screws and consider offset hinges or longer screws in the hinge leaves to prevent the door from being pushed inward or pried. A door that swings freely, even a little, is far less secure. The 3 most common mistakes are relying on short or factory screws, ignoring hidden jamb damage, and assuming a deadbolt alone is enough. Replacing short screws with 3-inch screws at the strike and hinges directly reduces the chance of kick-in and is an easy first step. If you skip removing the strike plate and probing the jamb, you miss rot or previous repairs that will let the bolt pull through, so always inspect, and if needed, install a reinforcement plate or replace the jamb section. Thinking a single deadbolt secures the door overlooks issues like a weak door slab or latch area, so pair a deep penetration deadbolt with a reinforced strike and consider a solid core door or a steel reinforced edge to stop forced. Entry. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work. On our site, we host a discussion community where members share experiences and ask practical questions about projects, materials, and installer recommendations.